Good morning! Welcome back to another studio vlog. I asked you guys in last week's video if you guys wanted to see another studio vlog, and most of you guys said yes, so I thought it would be fun today to take you along with me. Now I do have a ton of stuff to do today, so of course all of my orders, and I have a lot of them. Thank you guys so much. I think one of my favorite things about owning my own Etsy store is packing all of your orders. I really like to make them just very special for you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and get started on that today. I also had a request to put out my weather stickers. Now I didn't really like the layout of the weather stickers, so once they sold out I completely took them off and discontinued them. So I think I will revamp that sticker sheet and make it a little bit nicer. I also need to finish off designing some of my stuff for my subscription, and then I have an extra special gift for some of my subscribers. If you guys are a subscriber, join my Facebook group to find out what that little special bonus gift is. So let's go ahead and get started. Guys, I am finally done doing all of my orders today. That took me a long time. It's about 3:30, so yeah, a long day of just doing orders. So I'm heading to the post office now before it closes, and then I thought I would take you along to the pond because it is actually really nice out today. It is heading towards fall really quickly here in New England. You guys saw in my last vlog it was like rainy and cool outside, but today it's about like late 60s, so nice for here, still sunny. So I thought I'd take you along to the pond with me. I love stopping by there to see the swans. I'm back in the the studio and ready to get designing. The first thing I'm going to work on is redoing my weather stickers. Now, I don't think I'm going to change the designs. I was doodling some new designs, but I like my old designs. I just think that I need to make them into smaller sticker sheets. So one of all of sun, one of all of the snow and rain and things like that, because some people live in an area where they don't get snow. So I want them to have the option to get a full sheet of whatever weather they have in their area. So I'm going to go ahead and get started on that. I also have one other thing I need to finish up with my subscription, which goes out on the 1st. So I want to make sure that those all get done. So let's get started. So before I go, I thought it'd be fun for you guys to see me doodle in my bullet journal. I am a couple of days late for my September Draw with Bond challenge, so let's go ahead and do that. I'm not the best doodler. I really enjoy graphics designs, a little bit easier for me, but I am really trying to get better with my illustrations, so let's go ahead and start. Guys, I am done for the day. Thank you for coming along with me today. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you know what constellation I drew, definitely let me know down below. I would love to hear if anybody was able to figure that out. If you guys want to see more studio vlogs, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks again for watching, everyone, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!